Hello everyone and welcome to the course IELTS prepX. So in this first video, I will be just introducing you to the course. I will introduce you to the course with the help of three questions. What, why and how. So let us tackle the first question. What exactly is IELTS? IELTS is an abbreviation of International English Language Testing System. It is a standardized test conducted by two agencies together, British Council and IDP Australia. 9 is the maximum score band in the IELTS, and you will see the scores reported uh, out of 9. There are two different flavors or types of the IELTS exam. One is general training and the other is academic. So general training IELTS is used for migration purposes. If you are migrating to an English speaking country, you are required to give the IELTS general training exam. Now, if you are wishing to seek admission to any English speaking university or any profession in an English speaking country, you will be required to give the IELTS academic exam. These two exams share most of these sections, but there are slight differences which we'll cover later on. Why should you give the IELTS? This is the core of the this question is the core of the program. So you should give the general training IELTS because it is a requirement for migration to native English speaking countries. You should give the academic IELTS because a good score in this exam is an admission requirement for many graduate schools in North America and Europe. Now the last question, how can I successfully give or appear in the IELTS? This series will show you two preparation plans. One plan will be 28 days long and the other will be 7 days long. The 7 days long plan is only for those people which have advanced level proficiency in the English language. So before choosing a plan, I would request you to give a practice test so that you can identify your weak areas. Now you identify the score threshold your desired university or your program has set, and also check the gap between this threshold score, and your score in the practice test. And with these two things, you should choose a preparation plan. If the gap is huge between the score in your practice test and the score threshold, you should choose a 28 days. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the 7 days plan. Like I said, you can choose a 28 days plan if you have only a basic level proficiency or familiarity with the English language, and anyone who is adopting the 7 days plan is assumed to have advanced level proficiency in the English language. You can tweak these plans later on to be a perfect fit for you. Now I would just like to introduce myself, the instructor for this course. My name is Web of Kulshresht. I gave the IELTS academic exam in September 2019 and I scored 8 out of 9. Okay, so that was all for the introduction. I will see you in this course. Bye.